channel once again. Today I'm here to teach you how to do simple color corrections with my color correction presets that I have recorded in my actions, Photoshop actions. Without wasting much time, let's get it done. So as you can see here, this is an action I mean too bright here, right here. I mean this too bright, and below it I have this action. I implement the action, and the action contains photo filter, vibrance, level, brightness, or contrast. So as I put in the action, I just tweak this process a little bit to fit what I want to see. I think this is okay. Remember, it's all about your eyes, and it's all about you. What you prefer may not be what I prefer, so you tweak this to fit what you prefer. To me, I think this is okay. The next thing is I use my color preset, which is a color enhancer, and I put it on top of all the presets. Then I come here and reduce it a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this tutorial, don't forget to share or like. Leave your comment below if you want me to do more of this for you. So in Photoshop, simply this is how you do color correction, and after this you can do your retouch, and then you can export your pictures for any other. Thank you very much for watching. God bless us all.